Welcome friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge and Success. Today I shall discuss an interesting problem. F of x plus 1 equal to x square minus 5x plus 3. We have to find out the value of fx. We do this in two different ways. Now our problem is f of x plus 1 equal to x square minus 5x plus 3. We have to transfer this function of right hand side by the function of x plus 1. Then we can write x square plus 2x plus 1 to replace x square by x plus 1 whole square, where minus 5x is also here, 3. Here 2x plus 1 is added, then we subtract minus 2x minus 1. Then x square plus 2x plus 1 can be written as x plus 1 whole square. Now minus 5x minus 2x minus 7x plus 2. Now this can be written as x plus 1 square minus 7 into x plus 1. Here minus 7 is added, then we have to add plus 7, and here 2 is here. Now the value is x plus 1 the square minus 7 into x plus 1 plus 9. Now we can easily replace x plus 1 by x. We can write fx equal to x square minus 7x plus 9. We replace x plus 1 by x. This is the first method. Now the second method is where f of x plus 1 equal to x square minus 5x plus 3. We replace x plus 1 equal to y, then x equal to y minus 1. Here x square means y minus 1 whole square minus 5 into y minus 1 plus 3. Y minus 1 whole square means y square minus 2y plus 1. Multiplying by 5, 5y plus 5 plus 3 means y square minus 7y plus 9. Now x plus 1 means y. Fy equal to y square minus 7y plus 9, where y is the variable. Now we can write fx equal to x square minus 7x plus 9. Here we know the two methods to transfer f of x plus 1 to fx.